start English speaking before wait perfect time. If you wait perfect time, so you are waste your time because hello dear friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Learnify today, and today I will share with you most important thing: start speaking before wait perfect time. Okay, and if you are beginners, this video is only for you. And today is very sunny day, but I'm sitting I'm in my field. See why because I want to make videos to uploading on YouTube. Okay, and I'm learning this language on YouTube, on Google, and not today's topic is how to improve English speaking and start English speaking before wait perfect time. If you wait perfect time, so you are waste your time because that is perfection is not coming their life. Because if you wait, just have done my all grammar sentences, then I should start learning this language, speaking this language. So you are thinking is wrong. Okay, grammar is required to few in this speaking language. Okay, and friends, if you are beginner, truly beginner, this video is a very most important for you, and watch this video till the end. Okay, uh, if you think clear my grammar first, then I should start speaking some other people's and talking with other people's, so many things. Okay, this is wrong. Only for start, just start you learning grammar one day, then start speaking, then you should start speaking first day. Okay, and if how to start before learning grammar, tell me one thing. I give us some example for this speaking this language to you. 1 year baby. Okay, just 1 year baby is starting catching words, just mama, papa, dadi, nani. Okay, your English, if you beginner, same like your English. And if you think proper having knowledge, English speaking knowledge, and English grammar knowledge, English rule knowledge, then I should start speaking, so you are wrong. Why? Because English is speaking is not required to properly grammar. English is required to practice. Okay, and yes, you think right. English grammar required to writing properly, writing and fluency, not achieve speaking fluency with this technique. Okay, so stop thinking first I clear my grammar, then I start speaking other people's front of other people's. Okay, stop this. And second thing, stop translating. If you are beginner, and if you think translating Hindi to English is the most way of speaking this language. Okay, so this is not translating is not correct way to speaking this language. So stop translating to Hindi to English, and stop other situation to think in Hindi first, and second translate in your mind English. Okay, stop that is thing. And second thing, to be honest, this is my case. When I was beginner, and I had complete my 10 days this learning this language, and I learning this language using first translating. First is translating my mind Hindi, and second I used translate in English. First thing coming in my mind in this sentence, then I start thinking translating to English. So this process is a very long time period to translate correct way in my mind. So this is not, I think this is stop. Okay, then I stopped this thinking to about this learning language, and I started only for speaking. I'm not speaking front of other people's, I'm speaking only myself, mirror, and shadowing method. I use shadowing method, and I use recording videos. Then today my English is front of you. Okay, just because you are same beginner just like me, stop making this activity. Okay, this activity with you achieve knowledge but you not achieve speaking. Speaking is required only for speaking practice. Without practicing you not achieve your fluency. So dears, if you are beginners and truly beginners, so that do these things. First is listening is very most important for essential day. Okay, you understanding thinking is a gradually to stay forward moving. Another big topics too in English. Okay, and the second thing, reading loudly. If you read loudly, then your mind is connecting with word, and pronunciation is going to great. If you think read your mind silently, topics, stories, okay, then your pronunciation is not good. Why? Because you read only your mind, you not read your mouth, tongue. Okay, so your pronunciation is not good. Speaking is the most part of this learning. If you are learner, start speaking your first day. Speaking is the most part of this language, learning this language. So start speaking your first day. Your first days feel very hesitate, very afraid, and you had made mistake. There are so many people watching. So stop other people's front of you speaking and start speaking oneself. Use shadowing method and use making videos, and there is so many people's how to use shadowing method, how to use camera myself, recording video myself. And you think a lot of people to watching you making these videos, speaking this language, and laughing you, so you are wasting your time. Okay, and stop thinking a lot of, and overthinking is very bad to improving this language. Okay, and to be honest, this is my case. When I was a beginner and I had so many work, I'm not alone, some people watching me. That time I record my videos, and but I ignored. Why? Because my only focus in my improving in the language. Okay, so if you are improving this language, ignore all. Okay, and start watching cartoons, start learning videos, listening podcast. And yes, podcast is very important for this language, learning this language. Why? Because podcast is a very conversational language, using very simple way using language. And start watching English Indian podcast. Okay, let me tell about me little bit. When I was beginner, I'm not remember words, and so many things I'm not remember. I have no any vocabulary, I have no any sentences. Okay, so then I started few thinking, just few sentences to remembering my mind. And just started, I'm reading loudly, then word is coming to moving my mind. And I was searching in word, few words, new words, learning. And as well as my word papa is going to is strong. And a few words I remembered in my mind. And then I started to explaining with the front of camera. So if you are beginners, you start describing what happened to all around you. Okay, so started first speaking. This is my case. I had no any English speaking partner. I tried alone with myself. Okay, with camera. So today is my English is front of you. Okay, and if you are beginners and you have no any partner to exchanging this language, to talking with English, so not matter, start thinking, start speaking to what happened to all around you. Just I am sitting my field. Okay, see this my field, and I record video. Same I describe what happened. There is a big tree, mango tree, and the bird are chirping. There is a onion plant. So many things to start speaking, to start describing your mind thinking. Okay, then you feeling my English is improving. then you feel my English is improving and my speaking is going on a great way. Okay, and not stop to thinking in English. Why? Because if you stop thinking in, I should start remembering Hindi, then I should start translating to English. Okay, then you not achieve your fluency. If you want to achieve your fluency, you should remember first of all, English and English. Not remember, not thinking Hindi to English. Okay, only for start English, and you should start describing short topics, short thing, same as a uh, kids story. Kids story is a very helpful for beginners day, for beginning day, and especially for me, I'm watching kids cartoon. Why? Because kids cartoon is a very simple language to use, is a very simple word used to their stories making. It's a very easy to improving this thinking level, improving this to speaking English. Okay, so you should start watching English cartoons, kids cartoons. Think I'm not understand this word, that is word, English cartoon, English podcast, not problem. Okay, keep going and keep is listening. Just you started kids cartoon story and animated story, your mind is ready to searching, accepting their words, that is words. Okay, so start watching, listening is very most part of the speaking learning. Okay, literally tell me little bit about me. I am truly alone to this language. So I am improving my English thinking to listening, watching videos, English videos, cartoons, podcast, a lot of video I watched. Then today my English is front of you. So work to this speaking this language. Okay, and go ahead to this language, improving this language.